Alright, what's up you guys? So right now, Fee is coming back over to, hang out, right? That's what she thinks. Little does she know, she's not just coming to hang out, she's coming to get pranked again, because that's what I do, people. You don't prank me and get away with it. Team Mystic, we the best team in the league. Look, she thinks she's about to get a Valentine's Day surprise. No. Can't mess up my pimping for some simping. So what we gonna do, right? She gonna come over, I'm about to blindfold her, handcuff her, and cut some hair off. She ain't got weave, but it's about to be an unbelievable sight tonight. Alright, what's up you guys? So right now, Fee is about to get a pre-Valentine's Day surprise because she's not gonna be here on Valentine's Day. So I'm about to hook her up real nice.
Really?
Really? Really? See, that's good. You looking surprised. Girl, I'm about to hook you up. No, but I'm actually gonna blindfold you. So I got your clothes to blindfold
why you always being extra?
It's not extra. It's okay. It's kind of extra, but look, turn around. Okay, I'm about to hook you up real quick. You gonna really like it. I'm telling you.
Please don't do that. It's stupid.
It's not stupid.
Okay.
It's kind of stupid. All right, here we go, girl. Look. I'm just gonna.
I just can't take you serious.
Oh, you can't take me serious? Oh, okay. Well, you about to. Do you know what I'm about to do?
No.
Exactly. That's why it's a surprise. Okay, look. Get that on there a little tight.
No, wait, not too tight.
Why?
I have lashes on right now. You can't press them so
They
hard.
feel gazy anyway, girl.
Shut up. You look
Relax.
like you can't see what you're at.
Relax. Hey, let me see your arm. You know I always wanted to cuff you, right? Like literally, I'm cuffing you. So.
No. What?
Yeah. Let me see your arm. It's a surprise. It's a surprise. It's a fun little. You know what I mean? You know.
You're clumsy. Like you probably lost the key to this. Do you even have the key to?
How can I lose the key when it never even had a key to begin with? So relax.
Yo.
Hey, massage. I'm gonna massage it out. Okay.
You do something stupid.
Hey, you probably never had nothing like this, girl. Nothing like this. Hey, you got real pretty hair. Is that all your hair?
Yeah, you know it's mine.
Oh yeah, I do. Pull it on it. So
Shut up.
let me see. Let me see. Oh.
What was that? Yo.
All right, look.
What was that noise?
I'm gonna be real with you. I was trying to get you back for the prank you did on me.
Can you take?
But I didn't know it was gonna be this much. I didn't know. Don't be mad. Don't be mad.
What is?
You promise?
No,
you gotta promise you're not gonna be mad.
No, take the blindfold off now.
Right now? Like right now? All right, hold on.
I swear to God, man.
It's just a little bit of hair. It's just a little bit. It's just.
Oh my God! You freaking sick!
Calm down.
That's a lot of hair, dog.
Stop. Look.
What? And why do you have that camera out? Why are you laughing?
Shh, I got neighbors.
I don't give a about your neighbors.
All right. No. I can buy you hair.
I have a shoot in the morning. Are you? How much
They
did you?
can reschedule for you, girl.
Oh
Look.
my God!
Hug it out. Hug it out.
No, get me out
No,
these
I'm not gonna do that.
I'm not playing. I swear to God, man.
Don't
You
chill.
better not let me catch you.